If you feel like your paycheck disappears before the end of the month, this module is for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Money Habits, where we help you build smarter financial decisions and long-term wealth one habit at a time. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel Money Habits and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the full financial course. Before we jump into today's lesson, quick reminder, Module 1, Mindset and Foundations is already uploaded. Make sure you go watch that first because your financial mindset is the foundation for everything we're about to cover. You'll find it in the description. Now, let's move on to Module 2, Budgeting and Expense Control. Budgeting isn't about restricting your life. It's about giving your money a plan so you stay in control instead of wondering where it all went at the end of the month. When you budget correctly, you reduce stress, you reach financial goals faster, and you create guilt-free spending money. Think of budgeting as your financial GPS. It doesn't stop you from spending, it simply guides you. The first step is tracking your spending. Most people underestimate how much they spend by hundreds of dollars each month. Track everything for 30 days. Rent or mortgage, groceries, gas, subscriptions, dining out, online shopping, even small coffee purchases. Then divide your spending into 3 categories: needs, wants, and future. This step alone often saves people 10 to 15% without changing their income. Build a realistic budget. Avoid making a budget that's too strict. That's the biggest mistake. Instead, use a simple structure: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and debt. For example, someone earning $4,000 a month might spend $2,000 on needs, $1,200 on wants, and save $800. If you want faster financial growth, try increasing savings to 30% or more. The key is realism. A budget only works if you can actually follow it. Focus on your biggest expenses first. Fixed expenses include housing, insurance, loan payments. Variable expenses include dining out, shopping, entertainment, subscriptions. Cutting $200 from rent is more powerful than cutting coffee. Always target the big numbers first. Cut expenses without feeling deprived. Don't cut everything you enjoy. That leads to failure. Instead, ask yourself 3 questions. Does this improve my daily life? Would I miss it after 30 days? Is there a cheaper alternative? Cut low-value expenses, not meaningful ones. Quick reminder, if you're finding this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Money Habits so you can follow the complete Financial Mastery series. Automate your budget. The easiest way to succeed is automation. When your paycheck arrives, automatically send money to savings. Automatically pay bills. Then spend what remains. This method is called pay yourself first, and it removes the need for willpower. Your budget should evolve. At the end of each month, compare planned versus actual spending. Adjust categories, improve next month. Budgeting gets easier and more accurate over time. And that's Module 2, Budgeting and Expense Control. If you apply just these steps, you'll immediately gain more control over your money. In the next lesson, we are moving to Module 3, Debt and Credit Management, where we'll cover credit scores, debt payoff strategies, and how to avoid bad debt traps. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel Money Habits, like this video, and share it with someone who wants better financial control. And remember, Module 1 is already live, so go watch it now if you haven't yet. Remember, controlling your money starts with controlling your habits. See you in Module 3.